In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open long and short positions on Bybit. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to place an order with confidence. Start on the Bybit homepage. From here, head to the top navigation and choose Markets. This is your hub for spot, derivatives, and other products. We're focusing on derivatives, so switch to the derivatives section to see future style contracts. Next, choose USDT Perpetual. Perpetual contracts don't have an expiration date, and settling in USDT keeps your profit and loss clear in a stable currency. You'll see a list of trading pairs. Pick the perpetual contract you want to trade, such as a major pair with high liquidity if you're just getting started. Higher liquidity generally means tighter spreads and more predictable fills. Once you're on the trading page, set your margin mode and leverage. In cross margin, your entire derivatives account balance can back the position, which can reduce the chance of immediate liquidation, but exposes more of your funds. In isolated margin, only the margin you assign to that position is at risk, which helps contain losses to that specific trade. Choose the level of leverage that fits your risk tolerance. Remember, higher leverage magnifies both gains and losses and brings the liquidation price closer to the current market. Now pick your order type. Market orders fill immediately at the current price, ideal when speed matters and minor slippage is acceptable. Limit orders let you specify an exact price. They're useful if you want a more favorable entry and are willing to wait. If you select limit, type in the price you want. If you choose market, the price field isn't required. Enter your position size. You can input the amount in USDT or switch to the token quantity depending on what's more intuitive for you. Keep an eye on the estimated cost, required margin, and any displayed fees to make sure everything aligns with your plan. When you're ready, choose your direction. Click buy or long if you expect the price to rise, or click sell or short if you expect the price to fall. For a market order, the trade should execute right away. For a limit order, it will wait on the order book until your price is reached. That's it. You've navigated to derivatives, selected a USDT perpetual contract, chosen margin and leverage, set your order type, entered your size, and placed a long or short. Trade carefully, double check your settings before confirming, and you'll be set to manage positions with clarity on Bybit.